DAMS, that is Delhi Academy of Medical Science, is the #1 coaching institute for the PG medical entrance examinations. With all the changing patterns of PG exams, that is NECS, NEET, whatever, I really find the DAMS to be the only key which is helping me in PG preparations. DAMS is not only up to date with all the changes regarding exam pattern, it has also started teaching in an integrated manner, which is really very important for next examination. Not only that, but it is the first educational platform which has used technology at its best by introducing the eMedicoz app. In the current era of COVID pandemic, it was difficult to get the face-to-face live lectures, so DAMS has created the revolutionizing digital platform where students can interact live with the excellent teachers and can take their own notes. This eMedicoz app is not only a single app, but it is a rich resource of value-added services for the medical student. So, here I am going to share my experience about how this eMedicoz app is helping me. This eMedicoz app you can download easily from the Play Store. So, when you click on the eMedicoz app, you will see the interface with the various options. Here you can get the different courses like courses for the NEET-PG, next, professional wise courses, USMLE course and other also. Then you can see the ongoing top courses, then other courses. In other courses you can get the course for IS preparations also. In other categories, you can read news and articles. You can hear some podcast, attend daily quiz, read some books, interact with experts, and learn from online free videos. Now, if you will click on My Course tab, you will find the different courses depending on your area which you are. Here, you can search any course. Also, you can filter the free and paid courses. Now we will search one of my favorite course, which is DAMS Clinical Grand Round. This course has helped me in preparation of exams as well as vivas. If you will click on it, here you will find different courses like medicine, surgery, orthopedics, pediatrics, psychiatry, obstetrics and gynecology, radiology, dermatology, ENT and ophthalmology. When you go through it, if you will click on medicine, then you will find videos related to the different topics. Now we will see one video.
Right, so good evening everyone. Right, so welcome to this session of clinical grant rounds. So I was just waiting for Dr. Saurabh sir to finish. So we are ready to start in today's grant rounds. Yes. So in rheumatology,
in some courses you will get the notes and tests also. Then in description tab you may find the upcoming lectures and schedules. If you will scroll down in the home tab, you will see upcoming live classes as well as the live classes. Now we will see one of the live class.
Very young or elderly patient. Okay, this is a question for you. In which case, when you do the surgery, when you give the incision, in which of these age group you will get the scar, the best type of scar?
Now we will see the DAMS question bank. Here you will find system-wise question bank, video-based questions, COVID-19 capsules, image-based question bank and other questions. Now if you will click on system-wise question bank, you will see questions related to different topics. Now we will check one of question series. Here for each question you will get 4 answers. If you will click on any of the answer, you will know how much percentage of the people are clicking on that, and you will know the explanation of each answer. After completing the test series, you will get your scorecard and you will know your grades. In the same tab, just beside the question bank, you will find test series and CRS option. In test series, you will find the question related to the different subjects and you can test your knowledge by practicing the test series. If you will start any of the test series, you will find this interface and then you can start the test series. And here also you will get the 4 options for each question and you can complete your test series. Now you can get comprehensive video series in the CRS tab. In this you can get the videos for each subject. Like in ophthalmology course, you can see different videos, even you can download them. Now we will play one of the video.
Alright, let us see the last chapter, that is optics. Of course, that is also better explained in the class. Let us do with a dark orange color.
Now, if you want to read any of the book for any of the subject, you can go into the book tab. Here you will get different books as well as the concept books for different subjects. If you want to read any of the book for the detailed knowledge, you can have it in hard copy. Here I have one of next generation concept book for psychiatry. In this book, you will get the contents like general psychiatry, schizophrenia and other psychotic disorder, mood disorders, neurotic disorders, organic mental disorder, substance use disorders, child psychiatry, sleep, eating, sexual and personality disorders, psychology, psychotherapy and community psychiatry, psychopharmacology. One of the best features of this book is you can manage your time according to the topic as the time required for each topic is given. Also, approximate time to be given to each revision is also mentioned. Now, if you will go at the end of the topic, you will see the blank space for your own notes and also you can mention some tables. As you already know, DAMS is consistent with its result by giving continuous toppers in various exams. You can read their feedback in testimony. For better preparation of exam, please do join the DAMS eMedicoz, one-stop solution to licensing exam and PG entrance. All you need to study is available on one platform. Thank you.